Hey all you happy YouTubers, we are Tracy, Kay and our beautiful fur baby Molly. Our family has named us Chookies on the run. We're two old chooks on the run from work and any kind of responsibility. So join us on our journey around our beautiful country as we explore the amazing and the unusual. Alright, we've made it to Tully. Alright, plans are made for Tully. What are we doing?
Well, we decided that...
By the rain. By the way, it's raining very heavy.
Not heavy.
I call that heavy.
Do you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright.
It's pouring!
What are we doing?
Not every day is sunshine and lollipops, so...
Well, Tracy would like it to be.
Yeah, it can rain when I'm not here.
Yeah, I agree.
Holy hell.
Yeah.
Anyway, what are we doing today? We're going to go to the gorge this afternoon. We're going to book in down at Tully Caravan Park.
Yep.
Go to the gorge.
Yep. Alright, we're off to explore. Alright, we're at Tully Gorge National Park chasing waterfalls today. There's been a heap of rain over the last couple of days. You can probably hear it in the background. Ponytail Falls we're at. It is spectacular. Oh, look at that. Wow. Look at that. Go and check it out. Unreal. This Tully Gorge is amazing. Wowie wow wow. Good name, Ponytail Falls. I like it. This place is magnificent. Wow. Ooh. See? Oh. Yeah, see,
It's
we
my
ran here.
ponytail, see? It's called Ponytail Falls.
Don't think I need to speak. We're looking for crocs or what?
I don't know.
Wow. Stunning. Champagne Falls. Magic. Welcome to the Tully River. Gonna go and check it out. Watch out for crocs. Tracy and I are just having a discussion that this looks so inviting. You just want to get in and have a swim, but you can't. So pretty. Look at this. That's far enough. It's beautiful. Tully River in all her glory. Magnificent. Alright, we're doing the sights of Tully today. So we've just been out to the Tully National Park. That was awesome. So Molly had a rest this morning, but we've come back, had lunch, and we've picked her up and we're going to Mission Beach. Right, we've made it to Mission Beach. Lovely little park. Yeah. Alright, we're just going to make our way down to the beach. It's a lovely area. Yes. Yeah, that's where we stayed last time, the caravan park right on the beach. But there is one across the road as well. This is a beautiful spot. They got heaps of new shops.
Yeah, it's come ahead leaps and bounds in 4 years.
It has, hasn't it?
Hey, it looks really good. Really modern.
Yep.
Lots of new shops, little mall area. Not a mall, is that what it's called?
Yeah.
Mall.
Trendy little boutique shops, cafes. Looks really, really nice. Let's check out the beach. Righto, we made it onto Mission Beach. Stunning. Just take a Mamu for a walk. Lovely spot. Alright, we're on the hunt for some cassowaries. We just had a lovely walk through there. So there's two caravan parks. This is the Hideaway Holiday Village. It's just on the other side of the main road. Still very close to the beach. Beautiful spot. They've still got some spots available. The other one that's on the beach side, through there, yeah, they're pretty well, very tight spaces, packed in. There's a little park there though for kids, which is cool. And I think if we were going to come and stay here, we'd stay at the Hideaway across the road. Very nice. That one's quite busy and packed in, isn't it?
Yeah, it's really squishy.
Very close to each other in there.
We used to have to use that dump point too, didn't we?
Alright, so the one that's a bit tight and squished in on the beach side is called the Mission Beach Camping and Caravan Park. Always some cool murals. Where the rainforest meets the reef. We're just trying to figure where that is. It's beautiful along here. So this is Bingle Bay. Stunning. This town is apparently the wettest town in Australia. Get over 4 metres of rain a year. Unbelievable.
Hear the thunder, watch the lightning when it lights up the sky. You know it makes me feel good.
We can't do the tour at the sugar mill because of the wet weather. They're not doing any harvesting. So there's nothing to watch. If they're not crushing any sugar, there's nothing to see.
In the moonlight shadows, showers wash all my cares away. I wake up to a sunny day, 'cause I love a rainy night. Yeah, I love a rainy night.
Right, we've just spent 2 days at Tully Caravan Park. Just quickly show you around. It's a great spot. I think it was $40 a night, power water. Very reasonable considering at Mission Beach it was 60, 65. New showers, toilets, beautiful green grassy sites, plenty of availability. They've actually got a lovely outdoor kitchen. Tracy and I have been doing some yoga because it's been raining. Nice big kitchen over there. Yeah, and some lovely gardens. Yeah, good spot. Alright, we've been told by many people to come to Eddy Bay Beach for the cassowaries. So Kay and Tracy Attenborough are on the hunt. Look at this place, is unreal. Where are they? Being very elusive. Look at that rainforest, would you? Can't hear any movement. It's 4 o'clock. So this is about the time they come out. Nothing yet. Alright, so we reckon the cassowaries are a myth at Eddy Bay Beach. I think it's Queenslanders playing a trick on all the tourists. Thought we had one. Yes, sounds like a Queensland thing to do, doesn't it?
It's not real.
Not real?
Yeah. AI bird.
Alright, still nothing. We're going to be patient.
Sit and wait for a bit, eh?
Yeah, that's... Alright, still patiently waiting. Nothing. There's one! Here it is. Very elusive. Found one. Alright, we made it to Innisfail, Cassowary Coast. Desperately trying to find a cassowary. Alright, see you out there. Where are you taking us, Missy?
Oh, the little journey.
Little journey.
Little journey.
We're heading into the
misty mountain.
Alright, we're up in the mountains about 30 k's west of Innisfail. Just exploring some lookouts. We're going to go to the Mamu Tropical Skywalk. Alright, just pulled into the Mamu Rainforest Canopy Walk. It's actually on the World Heritage List.
Hello.
Hey, mate, how are you?
Pretty good, you?
Oh, I can't complain.
Been here before?
Never.
Never? No, nothing.
No, nothing.
That's fair. John, I'm the meet and greet dude for this place today.
Oh, really?
John,
So,
Tracy,
all right.
Do you like being on film?
Hello, Tracy and Kay. What?
Hello. Do you like being on film?
Oh, you can take film of me if you wish.
Lots of instructions were given, weren't they, Missy?
Hey?
Lots of instructions and lovely people.
There wouldn't be much silence in that household.
No. Husband and wife team. Apparently, cassowaries.
Or a cassowary.
Yeah. See how we go. Look at this. This is great. You've got to stay on the path. This rainforest is magnificent. I have to say. It's just unbelievable. Layers upon layers upon layers of plants living in cohabitation. Look at that. Beautiful canopy. Righto. No cassowaries, but we found a poo. There's evidence. Right, I've seen a couple of cassowary poos now, so there is one here somewhere. And we just heard this almighty screech from a bird up in the trees. It scared the bejeebies out of us. Right, we're off to the... What's this one?
Cantilever.
Right, we're off to the Cantilever Bridge. So this is 20 metres high over the rainforest. Oh, look at that view. And there's the Johnston River. Oh, it moves.
Yeah, it does.
Look at this. That is just stunning. There's a red butterfly on the top of that. Oh, there's a few red butterflies down there. Okay, we're just about to hit the elevated walkway. It's 350 metres long. So cool.
Well, I love a rainy night. Well, I love a rainy night. Ooh, ooh. I love a rainy night. I love a rainy night. I love to hear the thunder, watch the lightning when it lights up the sky.
Alright, we've made the tower. Let's go. Look at it up there. Check this photo out. So this is what Cyclone Larry did to like the reception area. Stripped everything bare. Unbelievable. And then she recovers. Look at that. And then in 2011 they had Yazi. Not directly overhead like Larry, but pretty close. Alright, we're going up there. Tracy's halfway. I'm going to catch up. Oh, out of breath. That's a long way.
Yeah.
You know it makes me feel good. Well, I love a rainy night. It's such a beautiful sight. I love to feel the rain on my face, taste the rain on my lips.
And it wiggles.
In the moonlight shadows, puts a song in this heart of mine, puts a smile on my face every time, 'cause I love a rainy night. Yeah, I love a rainy night.
See, whoa. Whoa.
Ooh, I love a rainy night.
Oh, good.
Yeah, I love a rainy night.
Hello, wait for me. Oh, and so straight down here.
Showers wash all my cares away. I wake up to a sunny day, 'cause I love